can arrange like this. Here I will keep one chalk piece, and here a chalk piece I can keep a book and a mobile. This way I can do. And some other way. Let me take, I will be keeping a book here. 3 chalk pieces I can keep it, and one mobile I can keep it like this. So arrangement I am talking about, right? The data is saying 2 books, 1 mobile and 8 chalk pieces we got. How we are processing the data, that is what we are going to study now. Okay. So information processing. Learner can count, compare and imagine the information to process. That's it. Information processing is very simple. Once again I will repeat it. Learner can count, compare and imagine the information to process. That's all. I have done it here on the table now. Similarly, for you, the number will come. You have played in the Hindu newspaper, have you seen it? So we will see. Right? So lower level to higher level will get in the Hindu newspaper. About that, see here. First example is very simple. So you keep trying it. Right? So see here, 1, 2, 3. First let me read this. The object is to fill all empty squares so that the numbers 1 to 3, each number can only appear once in a row and column. Like this we have to fill it. This is an example. They have solved it for a 3 cross 3 Sudoku and 4 cross 4 Sudoku. Right. And see here 5, 3, 2, 9, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 15, 10, 22 they have kept, 9, 2, 4, 18, 36, 52 they kept it. Keeps on like this. Right. So 5, what they have done it here? Here 15, 10, 22 is coming. So what they have done? 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Right. And 15 plus 10 is 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. Like this they have processed here. And the question is, therefore 7 to 5 what you will get. So what we have to do? 7 2s are 14. 14 is written. Then 7 5s are 35. 35 is written. Right. Then add both the things and subtract with the 2. That's it. This is what the process here. Now we will solve the exercise. One by one we will solve. Right? Let's start. So again number is 1, 2, 3. We should not be repeated again and again in the same place. This is what they have given in your exercise 1. The A box, B box, C, D you have to complete it. See 1 is there, nothing, and here 3 is there. I am guessing, I am imagining, right? I am imagining here definitely 2 has to come. 1, 2, 3, we got it. Then here 1 is here, 2 is here also 2. So definitely 2 should not come here, 1 should not come here. So 3 will be coming here. Right? That's the imagination. See here 3, 2, 1. Right? So check it here 3, 2. So definitely here 1 has to come. Right? See? And here again what will come? 2, 3 is here. So here 1 has to come. And here it may be anything. It may be 2 or 3 is here. So what we understood from this is the question itself wrong. Right? See, the question itself is wrong. Let us try the next one. So 1 is here, 3 is here and 2 is here. Right? So what the missing next number is? 3, and here missing next number is 2, and here missing next number is 3, here missing number is 2. What is the number comes here? 1. So this is right. So they have given the question is right, so the answer also we got it. Whereas here it is not right. Understand? Fine. Next you try this. See also you try. I will go for a 4 cross 4 solution. Right. Now it is a 4 cross 4 solution. Now let us try to solve this. See 1, 4, 4, 3, 1. Right. Let me start. 1 is here. So in this place I will check. Is it possible to put 4 here? No, not a possible. Right? It's not possible. So here I can put only 2. Because 4 is here nearby, so I should not put 4. Whereas what is the missing number here? That's a 2. Similarly, here you check what is the missing number here? It's a 3. And next. See here. Sorry kids, I have put 2. It is 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. The next one. Let's check here. See here, I have now option 1 and 2. Can I put 1 here? No, I can't put because 1 is nearby. So I can put 2 here. Can I put 1 here? Yeah, because missing number is only 1. I can put 1. Fine. The next. Let's start here. 3. Okay. Let me take here. 3, 4 is here. Either here, what the number may come? It may be 2 or 1. Right? We don't know. We have to find. And here 4 and 1 is there. Which number has to come here? Here it may be 3 or 2. And what is the missing number here? In this place 1, 2 is here. So 3, 4 may come. Similarly at this place 3, 4 may come. I am saying. 3, 4 is here. So here 1, 2 may come. But here we have already 1. So 1 should not come here. You remember this. I will check next. 4, 1 is there. So here 2, 3 may come. Fine. So here what is the thing we found? Here 1 is there. So definitely 1 should not come here. So it has to be 2 at this place. 3, 4, 2 we got it. So missing number is only 1. Fine kids? We have done it. Next one is, let's check this. See here 1, 4 is written. And this side 1, 2 is there. So 1, 2, 4 should not come. So what is the possible number? It is 3. Right. So missing number is 4. Finished. And here missing number straightly you can write. So here definitely you must get 3. Definitely you must get 4. These are we have imagined and put. Right. The information we got and we imagined and we have processed the data. We got that. Similarly, you try. This is very simple. Addition is 15 here as well as here. This is very simple. Horizontal and vertical. You can solve this. Next, can you spot the duplicate? Check this. Duplicate. Directly we can say, where is it? Here. EFD here coming and here also EFD. Duplicate is EFD. And next one. Can you find the mistake? Explain. Can you find the mistake? What is the mistake? Fine. BAA. Because all are 3 different letters, but here around 2 letters are together, right? BAA is coming. You have to explain, right? Here BAA is coming because A comes twice, so this is wrong. This is a mistake you can see, right? Next we will go for a graphical representation. Graphical representation of data. Now we have represented the data with numbers. Graphical representation means a different graph. It may be a square, it may be a ball, it may be a star, it may be anything. Graphical representation is a drawing a airplane. That's it. Right? See here in your book, this is a graphical representation. It is easy method to calculate and tabulate the data. Right? We'll solve this. We'll try to solve this problem. What is the question? Let us count the shapes collected by the winning team. This you can do it very well, I think. See here how many, let me start the triangle. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have to put 13. That's it. Similarly, you count all other things and put it. It's very simple. Next. Example 2 is also solved. So even you yourself can try it. Madhavi, Arul, Anjali, Malar, Vembu, Selvi, Begum. And their favorite items, favorite name, favorite items, everything is written here. Sangavi, Priya, Vishal, John, Ravi, Albert, Periyasamy, Sendilkar, favorite items are there. This. So you can tabulate it. What are the items? Pen, eraser, pencil, scale, water bottle. These are the items. And how many numbers? You just count it and represent here. That's it. This is you have processed the data and represented. The next one. Pictograph. Again, similarly, graphical representation I said, the same way with a picture, any kind of picture, even a human picture, even your photo you can put, right? With a picture, we used to represent. See here, we'll try to solve this, right? Solve this problem, it will be better to understand. The following table shows the weight of a paddy cultivated in a particular village during the years 2010 to 2015. So this paddy shows that 100 kg, right? Let us solve this. So in 6.3, the question is observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. First question is, in which year paddy production was maximum? Right, the first question, which year it was maximum? Just check it. Here it is 2, 3. See, in 2010 it was maximum because it is 500 kg in 2010. So the answer is 2010. What is the next question? In which year paddy production were equal? Which years you just check it? It is 2015 and 13 plus 12 and 14. So the answer for this is 2012 and 2014 is equal plus 2013 and 2015 is equal. Next question. Find the quantity of paddy production in 2015. So 2015 there are two single day. So it is one is 100 kg. So it is 200 kg. Pictorial representation, we can solve it very fast. Find the total quantity of paddy production, particularly 2013, 14, 15. Only for the 3 years we have to calculate. So 13 it is 2 is coming, 200 plus 300, 500 plus 200, 700. So answer for D is 700 kg. Fine kids? You are able to solve it very well? Okay. Similarly, you try to solve this. Right, these are the data, information we got it, and we have to process and find the answer for that. This is what information processing. Which school has the maximum number of people? From this you can see the data you got it. Girls higher secondary school got maximum number of people. Similarly, other questions you answer it. Next I will go. Representation of data by tally marks. This is called tally marks. So tally marks means what they will do is they will put a line 1, 2, 3, 4. For 5 they will cross like this. So this is a bunch. This is a 5. This is tally mark. We used to represent the data by tally mark. Right. Similarly, if it is 6 means we have to put a 1 here. 10 means what we have to put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. Like this. It's a tally mark. Let's solve a few problems among this. You check this example 1, example 2 because it is already solved. You yourself carry out. We will go for some other thing. Activity. You try this. Then try to solve this. Or otherwise I will try. The number of two-wheelers sold in a week in a showroom is given below. Represent the data using tally marks. We have to represent the data. Very simple. Right. So it is Sunday. Sunday it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Then for Monday it is 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 10, 11. Then Tuesday it is 3. 1, 2, 3. Tally mark. We are going for the tally mark. Then Wednesday it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thursday it is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1. So 16. That's Friday. Again Friday the same. You have to get. Then Saturday is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Right. Tally mark we have solved it. The activity 1. Similarly, activity 2 you try it. Okay. Activity 2 you try it. It's very simple. This also you try it. Now we will go for a bar graph. Bar graph. See here they have given the definition also. A bar graph is a chart that uses bars to show comparison between the categories of data. That's it. Right. It may be the horizontal or the vertical. Let's go for the bar graph. So this is vertical one and this one is the horizontal. So whatever the data you get plotted here and you have to put a bar. We will try to solve one bar. Let me get the data of one thing. See here, example 2 in Tiruchi Girls Higher Secondary School has 5 different clubs. Okay, the data shows the number of students in each club. Use the information to draw a bar graph. So they have not drawn it, so we will try to draw here. and what they have given is, this is number of students and this one is club name. Okay, so we will put the number of students here. It is still 120 it is coming. So okay, I will draw like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Still I have to extend somewhat, but still 120 it is coming. 20, 130. The next thing is 5 clubs name they have given: art, debate, dance. Let me have art here, debate here, then dance. Another one is drama, sports, then sports. Right. And so what we have to do is, we have to draw a bar graph. Now art club is 28. So let me take this for a bar, right? 28. So here it comes. So art it is 28. That's it. Then for debate club it is 80. So debate club it is 80. The bar I am putting. The dance club it is 150. Oh, we have to extend still. This is 140 and we will have this as 150. So dance club till here it has to. Dance club 150. Then drama club it is 100. It has to come here. Bar 100. Then sports club it is 120. This way you have to draw the bar chart. And you find the answer with the help of the bar chart. This is what you have to do. Fine. Now the next we will try to solve this problem. The bar chart represents the number of students using a different modes of transport. Observe and answer the following question. This is what your bar chart. Now we will answer the questions alone. Which mode of transport is mostly used by the students? Which? Check it and say it's a bicycle. Right. Next. How many students come to school by walk? Just check it. 40 students. Very good. Which mode of transport is used the least? It's a car, right? How many students come to school by bus? Just check it. It's almost 40. That's it. These are the answers. With the bar chart, we found the answer. This is also a bar chart, right? You try to solve this and you are having the answers for all the chapters. For information processing alone, you don't have the answer. Fine. Okay, kids. Somehow we have solved the mathematics, this term, all the units, right? We have completed all the 6 units. So the forthcoming days you will be having the term test, right? You have to try to analyze it. Don't mug it up anything in the maths, because mathematics is not a mugging subject. Right? Just you have to understand the concept and you have to say. Not mugging and vomiting. Don't do that. Okay? Try to understand what is there, how it is coming, and you apply everywhere. That's it. This is what maths. Maths is one of the best and interesting subject. You try to do it very well. Okay kids, bye, take care.